This is the Hamilton Beach tea kettle that we bought, I would say about 5 years ago. It's pretty fast when it comes to boiling your water. As you can see, it goes up to 1 liter max. Testing it right now. The blue light indicates that it is about to warm up. As you can see, you're going to start to see the bubbles. And within the next few seconds, you're going to see your water boiling. It's pretty fast. We've left the kettle boiling for a few seconds already. And once it's done, the button, the clear button on the right side over here will pop up. With this button over here, once the water is boiling, it'll automatically pop up. That's the water boiling right there. And you should see the button automatically pop up shortly. What I like about it is it heats up your water extremely fast. The finish, the black finish, and the stainless steel finish around the edges and the handles. What I would prefer, would have been better, would be some type of protection around the kettle itself. It is glass. It's good that you can see the water boiling. However, it can extremely get warm, so just be careful when you're using the kettle. I would highly recommend that you always use the handles at all times.